Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gusto payroll login issues, bank and account errors step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the exact nature of your Gusto payroll login issue. Check if the problem is related to your internet connection. Restart your router if your connection seems unstable. Open your browser and navigate to the Gusto login page. Ensure that you are entering the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and the new password you created. If you encounter a message that your account is locked, wait for approximately 15 minutes and try again. Verify whether your browser is up to date. Clear your browser cache and cookies to eliminate any stored login data. If you are still having trouble, try accessing your account from a different browser or device. Check for any ongoing Gusto system outages by visiting their status page. If your login issues stem from a bank account connection error, log into your Gusto account. Navigate to the banking section to see the status of your linked bank account. Ensure that the bank account information is correct and up to date. If necessary, remove and re-add your bank account to refresh the connection. Contact your bank to confirm there are no issues on their end that may affect the connection. Return to Gusto and attempt to re-establish the link with your bank account. If you continue to experience login problems, reach out to Gusto support for further assistance. Keep your account details handy to facilitate the support process. Documentation of any error messages will also help in resolving the issue efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.